to everyone. Welcome to our book. Today, we are going to see the comparison of healthcare cost between the US and the India. First, the average fee for consulting a doctor ranges from $100 to $200, while the specialist consultation might cost more than $250. While, in India, the average cost is only $2 to $5 at most. In the US, without the insurance, it might cost you between $300 to $600. In India, there are some special clinic in rural areas where the doctors might not ask you for a consultation fee. Second, in the US, the average cost of an open heart surgery might cost you $40,000 with the insurance. As for India, the same open heart surgery might cost between you $1,760 to $3,200. Third, in the US, the average cost of delivering a child might cost you between $3,000 to a whopping 10 grand. And it may cost you 30 grand for before and after care pregnancy. Even the aliens might get shocked to death. As for India, the government-run hospital will cost you nothing. And the cost in private hospital costs between $140 to $350. Well, it's not cheap. Because the Americans pay much higher than they should. Fourth, in the US, for cancer treatment, it may cost you a whopping $150,000 and $10K per month for treatment. In India, the cancer treatment will cost you from $7,000 to $14,000. Cheap, right? Fifth, in the US, the cost of kidney transplant on average might cost you $400,000. In India, the cost of kidney transplant ranges between $7,000 to $8,500. In the US, for a heart transplant, it will cost you $1.2 million. Some might probably die as homeless, if not from the surgery. In India, a heart transplant will cost you somewhere between $38,000. Some who watch the full video might have concerns about the quality of treatment that you get in India. Let me tell you, India has the most successful heart transplant surgery done ever. People from foreign countries travel to India every day to get affordable treatment. If you know someone who cannot afford costly treatment, then you might suggest them to make a trip to India. If you can please share this video, you might have helped save someone else's life or their money. And for the last, if you have some energy, then drag your cursor and click subscribe. It would really help me motivate to make more interesting and helpful videos in the future. Until next time, see you.